If you're solely only focused on your outcome and doing all this work for the outcome, it's going to be a lot of pressure. It's going to be chasing the outcome. It's going to be hard work. It's going to be effort, It's not going to be attractive. So if you don't get to the goal within the deadline that you have or the time that you have in mind, it will suck. Yesterday, I've been focused on the goal, on the outcome so much that I had this pressure, I talked about this pressure all the time, responsibilities. I felt guilty because I was failing you down. Yeah, I felt that responsibility towards myself and also to you. So the burden made me feel bad about myself. But what we are trying to do here is that we are trying to feel better and the best, actually, in the version that we have everything we want, in a version that we don't need anything. So needing something is actually saying that I don't have it, right? I need a phone means I don't have a phone. When you don't need anything, you already have everything. It's the state you need to be in. But I know it's hard. I know we expect some things to happen and it doesn't happen, or something bad happens in your 3D. So you react. I know that. How you cannot react to that, this is, I think, a different form of detachment, because when they talk about the detachment itself, everyone says, you're going to detach from the outcome. You only do it for the process itself, for the journey itself. Well, yeah, okay, but I put in a lot of effort and I expect certain things, and if I don't get it, it means that I'm never gonna get to my goal, right? You shouldn't detach from the outcome itself. I think you should detach your current problems, your 3D problems, your reality from the outcome that you want, from the manifestation that you want to have, all right? Close your eyes, visualize yourself having that dream life, not celebrating, not putting it on a pedestal. You already have it. Past having it. It's in your genes. It's in your cells. Okay? You don't care about money anymore. You don't care about that person anymore. You don't care about what is happening in your 3D anymore, because you already got everything you wanted. Now you're facing with this problem in your 3D is only the problem itself. So detach your outcome, if you're trying to get your SP, if you're trying to get the level of income, if you're trying to get a car, a villa, whatever it is, detach that outcome from the problem itself in your current 3D and just think from that version of you, from that version, okay, I already have everything I want. This is only a problem in my current daily life. It's just a problem. It's not having a negative effect on you manifesting the thing that you wanted, because you already detached from that outcome. You know what I mean? If you're already in that reality, if you already have everything you wanted, the problem is already automatically detached from the outcome because you already have the car. It's just a problem that you need to solve today. That's all. For example, I had this other YouTube channel. None of the videos are going viral, and I really put in a lot of effort, but the outcome is 0 views, let's say. Okay, I will still get to that number of subscribers or level of income from that channel, even though these videos are not going viral. How do I think this way? Because I think from that version of me that already has millions of subscribers, that level of income, and I don't care whether this video is going viral or not. I already have everything. So this is just one video, right? I shouldn't be caring. So I detached this video problem, views problem, from the outcome. When I detach it from each other, I already have everything I want. This is just one video. You know how it's relieving you, how it's comforting you, how it's making it easier for you to enjoy your present moment. Detachment from outcome could also seem like this. Try this and let me know in the comments how you feel about it. All right, I'm looking forward to it. Happens, you just need to persist. Of course you're going to react. That's super normal. Maybe you can change your reactions, but also maybe you can change the intensity. Instead of crying and being a victim, maybe you can be like, okay, that sucks, but we'll figure something. And you manifest is not when you're in that mood, when you're feeling your best. When you manifest is when you're struggling, when you have the need to react, when you feel like nothing is going in your way. When you feel like everything sucks in your 3D, your life sucks, this is the time when you're manifesting.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.